Today is our last day here at La Fortuna. Right now we are doing a chocolate tour, rainforest chocolate tour here in La Fortuna. I'm very excited as I'm a big chocolate chocolate addict. So we're gonna make some chocolate, learn the process, and I hope to eat some delicious treats.
Where is the cacao original from?
Central America.
Central America, for sure.
I forgot to say.
I say Africa.
Yeah.
Africa, Central America, what do you say?
Mexico.
Mexico. Over there, what do you think?
Central America.
Central America too. The cacao originated about 10 to 15,000 years ago, but it wasn't until about 5,000 years ago that it arrived to Mexico and Central America. It's not from over there either. Last chance.
Venezuela?
You sure it's the last chance? If you get it wrong, you get less chocolate.
Oh, then I'm not taking the chance.
I put it difficult all of a sudden. Alright, cacao appears for the first time in what we call nowadays as the Amazonia Basin, South America, all the way from the Amazonia River in Brazil to the Orinoco Valley in Venezuela.
Alright, so we're in the tour right now. We're on a plantation. We are given the opportunity by our tour guide to explore the plantation, which is pretty cool. The kids are having a blast learning about chocolate. We're about to get ready to make chocolate, but we're going to explore this plantation first. So let's go check it out.
They had a customer once that just pulled on his back. It was scary. So let's not do that here. We'll go with a more simple method. Wait, I think you got it.
Calm down.
Oh my gosh, you killed it.
Yay.
Good answer. All right, now you're going to open it slowly and dramatically for the camera.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Doesn't that look delicious?
Beautiful.
It smells like mangoes.
It does, right?
Yeah.
It smells good.
Mama.
Pose.
Mama.
There you go.
You gotta hit it really hard.
Hit it, smash, bunch with the fingers.
She could probably break it with her head.
This could take a while, but I think she's very determined. You know, it's been said that while you're breaking, if you dance, it tastes better.
Like that?
I'll give you the music. That's the Oompa Loompa dance. For too long, you faint. Yes, that's it.
Excelente.
One more, and we'll be ready.
I got hot chocolate. It's mix of chocolate, fresh cacao, mixed with chili and cornstarch and sugar. Oh, this is gonna be very delicious. Yeah, very good. Very good. Hi, my name is Ozzy Henry and you're on my channel, Wanderlust Awe Syndrome. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. And come along with my journey as I explore the world and sharing unique views, advice, and stories.